Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: battery health, charger integrity, and exact device model so you apply correct fixes. Once done, open settings and navigate to power or battery so you can see active profiles. Make sure to close background apps and install available firmware updates because outdated software often misreports power state. You will also note any recent app installs or system changes, since those are common culprits. Keep that list for later checks and potential rollbacks. You now adjust settings deliberately. Disable the main power-saving toggle, then customize controls like screen timeout, CPU scaling, and background data limits to balance life and responsiveness. Because aggressive optimizers can throttle essential services, make sure to whitelist apps you need for notifications and background sync. If you had a custom power profile, reset it to default and test behavior for 24 hours. This isolates whether custom rules cause the issue and prevents repeated misapplied restrictions. You finish by validating changes with deliberate tests. Make a call, run navigation or video for 10-15 minutes, then let the device idle for a few hours to confirm standby behavior. Once satisfied, lock in settings and reboot to ensure persistence. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. If that still fails, capture logs or error messages and contact manufacturer support with your findings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.